Hello everyone. So students, here we are going to discuss a few sets of pie chart and bar graph. You guys must have seen the actual sample paper that you got, and from that you can maybe you can guess what is the level of exam, but you cannot be sure. So in our regular session we are going to discuss some basically questions of every level. We are going to discuss a few sets where the questions are easy, moderate and a little bit difficult. So because we should be ready for every type of questions, every level of questions. So anyway, without any further delay, let's start the session and let's just see. We are going to start with a pie chart. So in pie chart, guys, first of all, let's just talk about some basic thing. So if a total value is given and you need to distribute it, right? So let's say the distribution is given. For example, let's say there is a company named XYZ Limited, and let's say their revenue or their sales is given. If their revenue in a particular year is given, suppose total revenue is, I can consider is, let's say 250 crore rupees, and this revenue is because of, let's say, 4 different products. So basically 4 different products. So we can say A, and here the revenue is 25%, or let's say B, the revenue is 20%, C, revenue is, let's say, 24%, and we have another one that is D, and here the revenue is 31%. So they might give us the values in percentage form. So we'll have to calculate the absolute values to answer certain question, or they might give us the values in angle form as well. So for example, let's say there is another company named PQR Limited, and its revenue is given. Again, let's say its total sales is given. That is same thing as revenue if it is sales by value. They are saying it is 120 crore rupees, and it is because of certain products. Products are, what can I consider? ABCD. Again, I am taking ABCD, the same names. And suppose here values ABCDE. Suppose here the values are given in angle form. For example, let's say here the angle is 64 degree. Here the angle is 75 degree. Here the angle is 72 degree. Then here the angle is, let's say this one is 90 degree. Okay, so and as you know, the total angle in case of percentage, the total is obviously 100%. In case of angle, the total is going to be 360. So total central angle will be 360. Yes, Subodh, what happened? It's all right. Okay. So anyway, if I find out the sum, so can I say 90 plus 64 plus 72? 90 plus 64 is 154. 154 plus 75 is 229. 229 plus 72, we get here 301. And so it means here value must be 59. Have I done it correctly? Or I can say on an average it will be 72. This is basically 8 less 3 more. So minus 5, and here we have 18 more. So ultimately we just need to subtract 13 from it. Yes, perfectly fine. So they might give us the total value in form of percentage, or they might give us in form of angle. So if you have to compare certain things, in case of angle, 360 degrees complete angle or whole angle. In percentage, it is 100%. So that's how you can say that 1 degree will be equal to 100 by 360%. Or you can also say 1 degree will be equal to 5 by 18%. If I cancel both of these by 20, we will be getting 5 by 18, right? Or you can say, since here 90 degrees 1/4 of total angle 360, and we know 1/4 can be written as 25%. Similarly, 72 degrees 1/5, 1 divided by 5. 10% will be 36 degree. 72 degrees double of that. Here you can write 20%. So if you need to convert it, in certain question you might have to convert it, you can. Okay. So let's move forward and we are going to see a set here. So just read the information carefully and note down this value, the total number of employees. So the percentage breakup of employees of a company A across different cities. So information is given according to the city. So we know in company A, total number of employees are 2100. Now the information is given about Delhi, Mumbai, Patna, Kolkata, Chennai, Pune. Now guys, standard process is we start at this point and we move in clockwise direction. So this is Delhi, this is Mumbai, Patna, Kolkata, Chennai and Pune. I hope you guys can calculate the number of employees in each city. Now, let's see question number 1. Yes guys, try to answer it. Try to answer it. Yes, any answer here? So they are saying if 25% of total employees working in Delhi are females, then how many employees working in Delhi are males? So first of all, if 25% are female, then how many are males? It is 100% minus 25%. Can I say 75% are males? Isn't it? Of total employees working in Delhi, we can say that. Now, how many employees are working in Delhi? It is 36%. Hopefully, you can see that. And do you know 75% are male? 75% can be written as 75 divided by 100. Let's cancel out both of these by 25. We can write it as 3 by 4. So, how many males are there? Can I say it is 3 by 4 of 36%? So, out of the 36%, that is the total number of employees working in Delhi, 3/4 are males. So, let's solve it. Can I say it means 27%? Isn't it? And since we already know total number of employees are 2100, that was given in the previous slide. Hopefully, you guys have noted that down. Can I simply say, again, there can be so many different ways to solve it. 1% will be 21, 27% will be 27 into 21. Okay, so I hope now you guys can see me clearly and there is no issue of buffering and all. Okay. So guys, here we are talking about this particular set, the pie chart. Total number of employees in a company are 2100 and the distribution is given according to the city. So we have already solved one question, we got 567, right? So again, Ajay has given us the correct the answer 324. Ajay, check your answer again, please. We do not have any answer option. 324. Okay. So let's just see the information. They are saying 2/9 of the total number of employees working in Chennai are transferred to Patna. Then how many employees are there in Patna? How many employees will be there in Patna? So can I say in Patna, first of all, there will be the 8% of total, which were again originally in Patna, plus those people who are getting transferred from Chennai to Patna. So from Chennai to Patna, how many are getting transferred? Can I say it is simply 2/9 part of Chennai? So Chennai is blue color, that is this much, 12%. And 2/9 part of 12, so 2/9 part of 12%. Can I say 1% is 21? So basically, these many employees are getting transferred from Chennai to Patna. Let's see that. By 9, by 3 I can cancel it out, we got here 4. Let's cancel it out, we got here 7. So 2 into 4 into 7, overall 56 employees are getting transferred from Patna. And how many employees were there in the Patna originally? How many employees were there? We know it is 8%. So 8% is what? Can I say 1% is 21, 8% will be into 8. So 160 plus 8, we got here 168. So our answer, finally, how many people will be there in Patna? How many employees will be there? It is 56, those who are getting transferred, plus 168, which were already there. So our answer here is 56 plus 168. So if you add both of these values, we will be getting 224. So our answer here is 224, option number C. Okay. So Monu got it. Great. Okay. Right. Next. Good. Great, guys. Next question. Let's see. Now keep in mind one thing. Whenever we need to calculate one number is what percentage of the other number, or one number is how much percentage more or less than the other number, then absolute values or accurate values are not required. Only the ratio is sufficient to answer that. Only the ratio is sufficient to answer that. So for example, here they are saying total number of employees working in Kolkata form what percent of the total number of employees working in Mumbai. So if you see for Kolkata it is 14% and for Mumbai it is 20%. So I can simply say 14 is what percentage of 20. That's how we can directly answer it. And here you can see that 14 into 5 we are getting 70%. So our answer is option number A. Okay. So we will be getting 70%. You do not need to find out the actual number of people working in Kolkata, actual number of people working in Mumbai. Even if you would have done that, you basically what you would have done in that case, number of people working in Kolkata will simply be 1% is 21, 14% will be multiplied by 14. And number of people working in Mumbai will be 1% is 21. So 20% will become into 20. That's how we calculate, right? Kolkata is what percentage of Mumbai. So 21 get cancelled out. That's why only ratio is required. And now we can cancel out both of these by 2. We got here 7 by 10. So I can answer here, it is 70%. Our answer option is A. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. So here you need to fill the blank. Yes, anyone? Anyone? Any answer? Guys, let's just see that. They are saying total number of employees working in some place. I don't know what place it is. It can be Mumbai, Delhi, Pune and Patna together, or Chennai and Patna together. More than the total number of employees working in Chennai and Kolkata together. Again, we do not need to calculate the accurate values. In Chennai, it is 12%. In Kolkata, it is 14%. So, sum of these two, can I say 26%? So, in which city there are more than 26% employees? If I see it correctly, this is 36%. So, that is Delhi. So, just by looking at it, you can answer it. And if you want to eliminate the other answer option, you can still do that. Why? Mumbai is not possible because it is only 20%, not more than 26%. It is less than that. Pune and Patna, guys, Pune is 10, Patna is 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18, again less. Chennai and Patna, Chennai is 14, Chennai is 12 and Patna is 8. So 12 plus 8 is 20, again less, not more. So there is only one scenario. Just by looking at the graph, you could have answered it. So we do not need to find out the accurate value. We do not need to tell how much more. So total number of employees working in Delhi. That's our answer, okay? Next one. What is the respective ratio between the total number of employees working in Chennai to Delhi? Yes. So as you can see, Ajay got it correct, the previous one. Atanu got it correct, Manish got it correct, Ankit got it correct, good. Excellent. Lata is saying option number C, okay. Any other answer? So not an issue, Ajay, we are here. Atanu is getting C. Pratyushna is getting C. Okay, 1:3. Absolutely correct. So the ratio between the number of employees working in Chennai to Delhi. Okay. So in Chennai, if you see the percentage, that is this much, we will write 12%. In Delhi, it is 36%. I can cancel it out. I can cancel out percentage symbol. Let's divide it by 12. Our simple answer is 1:3. So I don't think that you even need to write anything for this question. Answer is option number C. Great, guys. Great. So Srija also got it, the same. Nazia also got it. Great. Next one. So now let's just talk about bar graph. So in case of a bar graph, so here they might give us, let's say, for example, number of mobile phones sold by a shopkeeper of different brands, something like that. So on y-axis they write certain values, 10, 20, 30. So we look at those, we just check the values. Sometimes they might give us the accurate values. Most of the time they will not give us the accurate values. We'll have to just match it, right? Something like that. So let's see that thing with the help of the next example, the next set. So just read the information carefully. Just read the information carefully. So monthly incomes in rupees 1000 of 3 different persons are given, ABC, in 5 different years. So years are 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now all these values are in 1000. So for example, in 2005, the monthly income of A is 20. So it is not 20, it is 20,000. So it is so basically it is 20,000. Okay, so this is 20,000. Now notice this thing, for B, what will be the monthly income? Can you see these two lines? So this is at the midpoint. So we'll consider it the midpoint of 20,000 and 30,000. That will be 25,000. Hopefully you guys are able to understand the information. So again, this is an easy set. So since we have just started with these classes, so that's why we are not having we are not discussing too difficult questions. So surely we will discuss a lot of tougher sets as well, but not today. So once you are familiar with these basic things, then we'll talk about what are the different kind of logics and all. Yes, Ajay, for C in 2005 it is between 20 and 10, that is 15,000. Okay. So let's see the next question. Question number 1 of this set. Find out the average monthly income of person B over all the years. Find out the average monthly income of person or of B over all the years. Yes. Okay, Atanu is getting D. Anyone else? Any other answer? D. Can you tell me, if you are getting none of these, what value you are getting? Yes, what value you are getting? None of these, then what? Ankit is getting B for Bombay. Yes, Ajay, you can calculate all those. Just add all of these values and divide by 5. Manish is getting C, okay. 165,000. See, we need to find out average. So how do we find out the average? Average is simply sum of certain observations. Average is simply sum of certain observations divided by number of those observations. Number of observations, okay. So that's what we do. So if I add all these values for B, can I say here it is 25, here it is 35, here it is 20, here it is 40, and then what do we have? 45. Let's add all of these values. So 35 plus 25 is 60, 60 plus 20 is 80, plus 40, 120, 120 plus 45, 165. So average will be equal to 165, but all the values are given in thousands. So it is 165,000 divided by how many values are there? 5, right? So we'll divide it by 5, it will become 33,000. So our answer, option number C, is correct. So it is C, okay. Yeah, let's move forward. The next question. So you need to find out the difference between the total monthly incomes of person A and B over all the years. Yes, Ajay, mean value or arithmetic mean. We call average as arithmetic mean. Sanskriti is getting A, Nazia is getting C, Manish is getting D. Okay. Guys, see, we need to find out the difference. If you see in 2005, the income of B is more than A. 2006, income of B is more than A. In 2007, again it is more than A. In 2008, again it is more than A, and here it is less than A. So can I say what is the difference between these two? 5 or 5,000. Again, can I say here 5,000, here again 5,000, here difference is 10,000, here it is again 5,000. But if we have to find out the difference, can I say, I can do one thing, this 5,000 and this 5,000 get cancelled out. How? Here monthly income of B was 5,000 more than A, and here monthly income of A is 5,000 more than B. So these two get cancelled out. So overall difference is 5 plus 5 plus 10. We are getting 20. And just put 3 zeros behind it because all the values are in thousands. Okay. So Ajay, yes, that is again the proper way, but we do not need to do that, and we are not getting 10. We are not getting 10. Please add all the values again. So we got here 20 plus 30, it is 50. 50 plus 15 is 65. 65 plus 10 is 75. 75 plus 50 is 125. Okay. So again, if you want to find out the total value, so the total monthly income of A, 20 plus 30, it becomes 20 plus 30, it becomes 50. 50 plus again 50 plus 15 is 65. 65 plus 30 is 95. 95 plus 50, how much are we getting? 145. And I believe we already found the total of B in the previous question when we were finding the average. It was 165. So as you can see, the difference between these two values is 20, and that is in 1000. So our answer here is 20,000. So yes, it is none of these, but the value is 20,000. Okay. Or the other way that we solved, can I say here income of B is 5 more than A, again 5 more than A, 5 more than A, 10 more than A, 5 less than A. So 5, income of B is 5 less than A, income of B is 5 more than A, so these two get cancelled out. So income of B is how much more than A? 5 plus 5 plus 10, 20,000. So that's how we can say our answer here is 20,000. Okay. Or you can solve it like this. So hopefully now nobody has any issue or your doubts are clear. Okay. Next one. Guys, got it? Got it? Okay, so Ajay, I hope you understood it, right? We just found the differences. That's it. So income of B is 5 less than A, income of B is 5 more than A. So 5 more than A, 5 less than A, they get cancelled out. Now income of B is 5 more than A, right? Here again 5, here 10 more. Overall 20 more, 20,000 more. Next one. Yes guys, the monthly income of C is what percent more or less than the monthly income of B in 2007? Yes. Yes guys. Okay, let's see. 50% less. Now, since we need to think about year 2007, as I can see, the value of income of C is 10,000 and income of B is 20,000. So, income of C is half of B. So, if it is half of B, I can directly say 50% less, right? Or if you want, can I say income of C is 10,000, income of B is 20,000. So this is how much less? 10 less over 20 into 100%. So we are getting 50%. And these two get cancelled out, half, right? So since income of C is half of the income of B, obviously it is half less. Half less can be written as 50% less, isn't it? That's it. Next one. So find the ratio of total monthly income of A in years 2005 and 7 together to total monthly income of C in year 2006 and 9 together. Yeah. Let's see who's getting it correct. A in 2005 and 7. And C in 2006 and 9. Lata is saying option A. Manish is saying option A. Ravi is saying option A. Okay. Okay, so we just need to follow whatever steps are given. A for 2005 and 7 together. So can I simply say 20 plus 15. So 20 plus 15, it becomes 35. Is to C for 2006 and 9 together. So here it is 30 plus 40, isn't it? This is 40. And 30 plus 40 becomes 70. As you can see, 70 is double of that. So our answer here is 1:2. So yes, excellent guys. Our answer here is 1:2. Next one, hopefully everybody understood it, right? Yeah. Yes guys, read it. The question is monthly income of C in 2008 is what percent of the monthly income of C in 2005? Is what percent of? Yes, anyone? Any answer? Yeah. Harsh is getting 400, okay. Manish is getting 400, okay, nice. Any other answer? Sanskriti is getting 400. Mayank, Pratyushna, okay. Lata, everybody is getting 400. Excellent. Ajay, I believe you committed some mistake. See, C in 2008, which is what? Can I say 60,000? Is what percentage of C in 2005, which is what? 15,000. So 60 is what percentage of 15,000? 60 is what percentage of 15,000? So can I say it is 4 by 1, in other words 400%. Or we could have directly seen that since this is 4 times of 15, so obviously our answer is going to be 400%, isn't it? That's it. 1 time is 100%, 2 times 200%, 3 times is 300%, so obviously 4 times will become 400%. So if one value is 10 times or one value is 5 times of the other value, so one value is 5%, 500% of the other value. That's it. So 4 times means 400%. Okay. So guys, do subscribe our channel. So here we have some regular classes of CLAT and we cover all the topics. So be it the reasoning ability section, the DI section, logical aptitude, all the things. Do subscribe us, press the bell icon so that you have the information or you get the notification whenever we are live or we are having any class. Okay. So guys, see you in the next session. Till then, have a great day. Bye-bye.